Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dan Mack, I'm a first year medical student, and today I've got quite a busy and interesting day, so I thought I'd bring you along with me and show you what I get up to at med school. So it's about 6:30 now. I'm going to grab some coffee and breakfast, but before I do that I need to do my COVID test so I can go home this Christmas. So let's crack on with that and I'll catch you in a bit. Alright, so COVID test is done, time for my lovely coffee and breakfast in the morning. I know you're all really interested in what I have for breakfast, so here it is. I've got oats in there, wheat malts I think they're called, and chocolate pillows. I like to mix it up, have a bit of fun in the morning, get a bit of nutrients in there, so yeah, that's what I have. And yeah, a little coffee to go, let's crack on. I've always wanted to try this, let's see if it works. So I've just got in and finished setting everything up for PBL this morning. It's about 8:45. We have double PBL today, back to back, and then clinical skills. So like I said, it's going to be a busy day, but very interesting day. So I'm going to get cracking, make sure the presentation looks good, and I'll see you guys after. Artery again. So you cut open your femoral artery, they put the catheter in, it goes to the iliac, the common iliac here, up the thoracic aorta, up the abdominal aorta, sorry, into the thoracic aorta, into the arch. I'm too short for this. It goes. So I just finished the first PBL. My presentation went a lot better than I thought it did. See up there, I took some inspiration from Ninja Nerd. You should go check him out. He has great videos, explains everything really well. I did my presentation today on VSDs and how to treat them and the long-term treatment for them and the legal rights for disabled people, which is really interesting to read up upon. I recommend if you've got some spare time to do so. And yeah, we've got about 15 minutes till my next session, so I'm going to grab a drink, go to the toilet quickly, get back, and just crack on. So that's it, all my PBL sessions are done now. I've got until about 1:30 till my clinical skills starts, so I'm going to check if all the lectures for this week have been uploaded so I can plan out my week, organise my life. That's the great thing about things being online, is you can plan out when you want to work, but it does really put my organisational skills to the test, so I need to crack on with that. Yeah, PBL was really good. I really enjoy the fact how it's like laid out, the whole PBL itself, that you get the problem, you have to kind of come up with a solution in a team. And yeah, it's just a really great way to almost emulate what it's going to be like to be a doctor in the future. So yeah, it was a great session. I'm going to crack on with organising my life, and I'll see you guys before clinical skills. So just about to head clinical skills now. Luckily this week we have a bit more lighter week, so in between PBL and clinical skills now I was able to get a lecture done, which is great. Normally I don't get any work done when we have PBL and clinical skills on the same day. It's normally a write-off for me. So I'm really glad I got a lecture done now. It means I'll have less work to do this week obviously, and hopefully I can get my work done before I go home for Christmas. That's the goal. So yeah, we're about to head to clinical skills. We're doing a bit more of cardio exams today, so I get to use my stethoscope again, which I'm always happy, always excited to use my stethoscope. It makes it feel a bit more real, makes it feel like I'm actually a medical student. So yeah, I'm gonna go head over to clinical skills and I'll catch you guys afterwards. Just finished clinical skills. Today we're working on the cardio exam a bit more, listening to all the different heart valves and the sounds they make. And yeah, it was amazing. It was nice to be able to hear the heart sounds for the first time. It made me feel a bit more like a medical student, and then I can actually, one day be a doctor, which was great. That's why I love these clinical skills. I really like the practical side of things and getting involved. So these clinical skills sessions are like a little boost every week to remind me of what I'm working for and what I eventually become and become a doctor, which is amazing. I've got a little bit of time now before I have to catch the bus and go home. So I'm going to crack on with some more of the lectures, get some stuff done hopefully, and I'll see you guys in a bit. that's it for today, everyone. It's home time. I actually managed to get all this week's work done today, all the lectures done for this week done today. No, I didn't. I'm joking. Imagine, that would be amazing. No, that didn't happen. But I did get some work done, which is great. I'm really happy about. Thank you so much for coming with me today. If you enjoyed today and enjoyed this vlog, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Yeah, you're alive.